top news headlines. Prahlad Singh Patel opens Siri Lily Festival, hails real beauty of Manipur. Chief Minister Biren praises excellent hospitality of Tangkhul. And Kiao says Hong Kong State of the Union disrupted. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Union Culture and Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patel opened the third state-level Siri Lily Festival at Siri Ching, Tangkhul, Nagalong today. The 4-day-long festival is held under the sponsorship of Manipur Tourism Department. Colorful traditional dances, cultural shows, mountain trekking, indigenous games, camping and other entertainment events will be part of the annual festival. Along with the Union Minister, Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Yonam Joykumar, Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam, PHED Minister L. Dikho, Agriculture and Veterinary Minister V. Hankalian, Inner Manipur MP R.K. Ranjan and Outer Manipur MP Dr. Lorho S. Foch shared the dice at the inaugural function of the Siri Lily Festival. Speaking on the occasion, Union Minister Prahlad Singh Patel said that unity is diversity with varied cultures and dialects, with different communities living together in the real beauty of the state. Minister Prahlad also underscored the need to promote the huge tourism potential of the state. Tourists of other states have little knowledge about the state. He said that the Siri Festival will help promote the rich culture and natural resources of the state. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Chief Minister N. Biren said that the journey of the state-level Siri Lily Festival is interesting as it became a state-level festival due to the efforts made by the BJP-led government in the state. The festival has been promoted in the interests of the denizens of Ukhrul, he added. Praising the Ukhrul residents, the CM also said that it is a known fact that the Tangkhuls have an excellent hospitality, which is known across the world. The state government has been taken off developmental schemes for both the hills and valley on the same equal footing, he said. Biren also expressed happiness that the hill range of Siri has been donned with various plants and trees unlike before. Biren further urged the masses to promote tree plantation. He also urged for maintaining peace and harmony among the communities.
The chief guest, president and guest of honor by the headman of Shirui village.
Hong Kong leader Carrie Lam was forced to abandon her animal policy address today after some lawmakers jeer as she began speaking, causing an unprecedented cancellation of such a speech in the legislature of the Chinese-ruled city. The lawmakers yelled 5 demands, not one less, as they hack Lam, who faces immense pressure to regain trust and resolve the city's biggest political crisis in decades, in a disruption that forced the meeting to be adjourned twice. The expression has become one of the movement's rallying calls, referring to protesters' 5 main demands, which include universal suffrage and an independent inquiry into what they say has been excessive force by police in the dealing with demonstrations. Some of the lawmakers wore marks of Chinese President Xi Jinping inside the chamber as they held up posters calling for the 5 demands to be made. Pumanil Kangleipak today observed the 287th anniversary of Puya Maithaba at lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound, Imphal. Today's observance was attended by MLA of Kairao Constituency, Laurimbam Rameshwar, Chairman of Pumanil Laimapopam Dhananjoy, President in charge of Akomlup Kangleipak, Sanjit Saraisam, International awardee H. Ibotombi's Kuman, President of Kangleima, Y. HARIPRIYA, President of KIL, HARIPRIYA, and leaders of other civil society organizations. Addressing the gathering, MLA Rameshwar underlined the need to include the event of Puya Maithaba in school curriculum so that young students can understand the incident. On the other hand, Sanjit Saraisam said that the sacred Meitei scriptures were burnt on October 5 of 1732 during the reign of King Pamhaiba, resulting in creation of troubles and issues cropping up in the Dane kingdom. The event is observed as Puya Maithaba in Manipur.
Research was in the heck team with him diamond green diamond like that. Monaco. See Manamsing Yolakanda, Hidachonga, Kwajabiaba, instead of money guy in a Pundopa, Kangham, the Quimam Tanare, and Harry Bossing a jail. Poyadi, Tambira than ever. I think the Kudamina, Aquinosa Ramasna, Pichivika, Tolokan ever so mine, Manipugiso, Maitegi, Poyazida, Irame, Nasika, Dobia, Matobia, who sing me the Migi Maramdani Kangde, invited me home when he come there. Yaragadi, organizer come with Chilaka in Hajabado, school syllabus, Kara, Aduga. I even at about Oreloina, Halamazing, Mayam Singazia, Itonobik and Ozimazo, Cindy, Hina, Tamzara.
A 2-minute silence was also observed as a mark of respect to all departed souls. Research scholar Akam Langol and Assistant Professor of History Department, Standard College, Dr. Elba Center, delivered lectures on the related theme.
Puya mai tharam dragadi aikoi da ngasi chakotpagi chang watliba adagi aikoi masen nuksinadriba hairiba sing asi amatta leiramoi haina thamjaningi maramdi singmi ga tamiga gi masin manau oibagi liching makhada kaitharaiba adagi leiminariba mihorol dagi leiminariba furupcha singi marakta kaitharaiba aikoi da loksing oigadaba pukai oigadaba kaya sing ado matamduda ramandi dharma sandokpa laiba adugumba santidas gosai amadi magi bhagavan das narandas makoina madugi matamduda iningthau pamaibada injallakanda madugi liching duda madugi thawinjin duda tung illurakandani aikoina ngasi hiram kaya da sothariba mikha poliba aikoida nungnangba phawriba nuaitriba amadi aikoida pendaba ngasi kholaw lawriba mayamase
Uripok Taurangbam Laikai Welfare Organization and Uripok Taurangbam Laikai Women Welfare Organization jointly held a sit-in protest today in front of the office of Panthoibi Housing at Uripok Taurangbam Laikai, Imphal, to condemn last night's incident wherein an IED was placed by unknown people at the locality. Several locals and employees of Panthoibi Housing Complex took part in the protest. Member of Women Welfare Organization Y. Ibeni told media that the incident is highly condemnable and urged all involved to stop repeating such incidents in future.
Praja mara leitabada shokna baina thambirambani madugi damaktani akoina wakat mifam phamjari baje matungda amuk hanna tawbiganu nungaitaba leiragachu phongdokpirau khabar khudingda tv da kaida ai khoi sigi damaktani haibado mayek sengna amuktang khangjaningi.
On the other hand, General Secretary of Uripok Taurangbam Laikai Welfare Organization, Chingtham Nambam, termed the incident as unfortunate. She informed that they will approach the District Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police to demand a security outpost for the area.
Hariba Bhumjina Kaigumba, Laibak Tidana Pokai Tom Lagadi, Si Ashokana, Adi Mamanya Pusi Manga to see Laikai Miami. I don't know when a boom Tamam from Suntana. A quick Manipur Police Home Department, Amati Manipur Police Department. Onabza Tangalmaza the day. Numidangi Matam the Boyro, Ayuk the Boyro, entry exit surveillance and vigil Taule. aduga kitang haidokiba inang nang zero mind leiriba maitai lekai hebe tare maruina maitai singna namada khundaba yellow mi singna khundaba lekai singjidi akoina pau ta kanda lakpa natana yeng nomata sitsai sida law and order gi fibam je kamain tawri kana kana gi yumda threaten lei kana kana da extortion lei haibna chingmam da logdaba baja mong na pung gudingi combing operation tawni aduga kitang haidokiba lekai singna bomb plan tawda akoina lekai miyam na pau pira kana bomb lokthokpa masina di law and order phai hai hajeningde.
A voluntary blood donation awareness campaign, Come Donation Camp 2019, was organized in connection with 128 Manipur Police Rising Day at Thobal SP Office Complex today. The program was held under the supervision of Thobal Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha in association with voluntary blood donors, Thobal District Branch, Popular Youth Front, Khangabok, and Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS. The blood donation was held under the theme, Give Our Blood to Our Society. Additional Superintendent of Police, Law and Order of Thobal District Police, Thingnam Deshorjit, Manipur Police Service, Deputy Superintendent of Police Operation, A. Kalendro, Manipur, along with 50 personnel of District Police donated blood at the camp. Speaking at the event, Thingnam Deshorjit said that despite advancement in science, there is no substitute for blood. As a part of the Manipur Police Rising Day, the department wanted to donate blood to help meet the shortage of blood, he said. At the camp, 40 times blood donor and motivator Navakumar Tishi, who is also the Thobal District Branch Secretary of Association of Voluntary Blood Donors, talk on benefits of blood donation. The camp was also attended by Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Thobal Sachidananda Soibam and Pradhan of Khangabok Part 3 Gram Panchayat M. Manglimjao. Federation of Haumi today said that the Anglo-Kuki War of 1997-1999 was not a war, but a rebellion. The memorial stones erected by the Kuki in memory of their ancestors is quite suspicious, Federation President S. Jadovani told a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. He added that such incidents can create serious problems. Jadovani appealed to the people to unite together to save the land of Manipur.
Kuki na lamsida homeland tanbam natte territory tanbam natte no mui layu aduga akoi leminasi peaceful leminasi hai bitu le akoi na thuni Manipur da leminero khudima yamusi charana leminasi lepak singa leminasi lepak ki terminasi aduga akoi mesen to kai ta bagi tonga ba gi wakalon homeland tanba territory tarbu yumse asi thadok yu hai bo jima ai ro thamdeki.
In view of the prevailing situation in Manipur, the Concerned Citizens Forum, Chandel, has appealed to the masses to maintain peace and calm to avoid untoward incident. The forum, in a statement, also urged all political leaders and pressure groups in the state to tackle the sensitive situation with utmost care. Now let's take a short break, but next Worldwide Cane Safety Day observed. Stay tuned for more.
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lawbi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road, Imphal, Manipur.
Lakadoriba Ningol Chakobada set innabagidamak quality lairaba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak sem saduna lairaba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da laiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhalgi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da sizinaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigen
Nupi kaktagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangawa mafam Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adom ge apama design kuding makki order slogzari amtang lengsin biro khwai brahmapur nagamapal ima kaithel gi opposite gi fast food da leriba Showers Boutique.
Welcome back. Welfare Association for the Blind Manipur observed the Worldwide Cane Safety Day 2019 at Home for the Blind. Sai wrote today, Principal of Government Idle Blind School T. Rameshwar Singh, President of Welfare Association for the Blind Y. Brajamohan Singh and Advisor Kanguzam Ibomcha Singh attended the function. Students and teachers took out a rally around Taknial Kongbal holding white canes. They also urged the people to respect the people with the white cane.
Less dependency has a battery. My am the Karaso mobility data. Karada Masiki white can as he piragadi, the independent movement as he lay, Lunana, Nasagi, Mayam Nasu, Kogi, Gari Tawiri Musing, Adu Lambita, the Sapiri Musing Nasu, High Rivasing as he Umatam, the Tanquina Sorok, Landing Borgasu, the Matam Su, Karakamatin, Pamina Mokta, white can as Sibu honor. Koi mayamna to wina bagita makta adugumba akoigi ngasigi numit ase koina mayam ka punna pangthok minajabani hajabte
MLA of Thanga constituency T. Robin Rohi is also the PDA chairman stressed on the importance of maintaining good discipline for progress in life. The MLA said this today while speaking during a function held in connection with the 39th Parents' Day Come Annual Prize Distribution Day of Agap Children Junior High School, Ithing Thanga at Ithing Community Hall. Robindro said that being educated has no meaning at all if one doesn't respect his or her teachers. He also underlined on the roles of parents and guardians in developing good habits in their children.
Masigi yamna maruba pambai ulibase education hai shiksha hai pose isa sing mai masig tambi ba education ni hai pose kase apona alai ta go ilo nyai mate pakul le ba achal ba apabani ba oila mo hai pose atun ta tai lo ya ro no ira responsible ba isa sing sia ba chai pose masig me khang na bane.
Performances, cultural dance and music, poetry recitation by students were some of the highlights of the function, besides felicitation of meritorious students of the school. Special contractor Indrajit Moirangcha, Pradhan of Thanga Part 2, Gram Panchayat, Ain Chandra and ward members were present in the event. Hingminasi Ekoi, a non-profit organization, today generously presented blankets to cancer patients at the radiotherapy ward of RIMS, Imphal today. Organization President K. Loya said that Hingminasi Ekoi wants to give some relief to the patients suffering from the terminal disease. Loya said that the group will further distribute blankets to such patients at Jenims, Imphal. Santi Parva for former President of United Manipuri Association Assam Koijam Jitan Singh was organized by Yaifa Thausil Lop Manipur Khwai Lalambung Makong at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. Floral tributes were paid to the photo of late Koijam Jitan Singh and a 2-minute silence was observed as a mark of respect to the departed soul. Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur organized a one-day meeting at GP Women's College, Imphal today. The meeting discussed various issues facing the Federation like 7 pay, pending allowances and others.
General Motoring the Canary, Karamba Disen Logsige, Adobu Karigumba Disendu Matugina, de Quina ultimatum say PDP Rani, Karigumba Mamangi Quina 21st October Piki, Adudegi Matung de Gitabama, Natraga, Kamasana Hare Basi, Government Return Insurance Pirese, Fort Nabemasi Matungi, the Gidi, Koi Akanba, Kongjang, says Wakum Sangela, Kani have get to Madisan Anismong, the Succession and Laura Kaning City meetings.
A special Gram Sabha on finalization and approval of Gram Panchayat Development Plan of Lilong City Block, Turel Ahanbi Ataukong Gram Panchayat was held today at the Panchayat Gar of Turel Ahanbi. Pradhan Muhammad Idris Ali along with officials of 15 line departments took part in the Gram Sabha, wherein Gram Panchayat Development Plan for 2020 to 2021 and annual actions plans were discussed. Thongam Santibala, wife of Thongam Anil, died of liver cirrhosis 5 years ago. She could not undergo medication since she was pregnant at the time. Thongam Anil, aged 43, from Langjing Achoba Awang Lekai. Pashoy has 2 daughters and a son. His son Anis, 16, is currently a class 11 student of Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Imphal. Anis said that he led a happy life when her mother was alive, but ever since her death, they started facing hardships. After giving his class 10 exam, he started working at a brick field. Condition of the family worsened after Thongam Anil met with an accident in which his brain was damaged. According to doctor, Anil's brain has been partially damaged. On the occasion of its 4th anniversary, the Kanglei Lamdamgi Irecha WhatsApp group presented edibles and also extended monetary assistance to the family. The group has urged the government and generous citizens of the state to provide help to the poor family.
TOMTV ki mai kai degi khoi sigulaba khoi awaba taraba khoi Thongam Anil gi imung manung gi awaba se khoi TOMTV na sandorpa khoi video da khoi na thengna jabada gi khoi group asigi chahi mari mapung pharap ka loina khoi su kari ku makra dang di imung sigi awaba da share to mina se habi gi pandam da khoi na group asigi member sing na angam makhai jin na khoi na ngasi tengpang ngasi imung si da pang laksaban.
United Tribal People's Organization has called for an indefinite general strike on the Imphal-Mori stretch from Palel to Mori beginning midnight of October 20. This was informed in a press release from the organization today. The general strike has been called to condemn the state government's failure to meet a series of their demands, the press release said. And now let's have another commercial break. But next, northeast monsoon sits in over South India. Heavy rain predicted.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba imasing na set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsen birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Siru Festival Gidamak Lamjingba Capna Chada Taranipan discount pijeri. Round trip Lupa Lising Ahum Chamri Nifumari. Drop Lupa Lising Ani Chamapan Yankhanitoy. Night charts Lupa Lising Ama. Ngasima book Tobio Langston Birksay Lamjingba Cap Office Nagamapal Rims Road near Nitayan Temple. Phone number 8794613154. Aikogi toll free number 80010279959.
Welcome back. India Met Department has upgraded its outlook for the South Peninsula for next 4 days to fairly widespread rain with isolated heavy falls, thunderstorm and lightning as the northeast monsoon draws nearer. In fact, the withdrawal line of the incumbent southwest monsoon delved into South India yesterday, passing through Tuni, Hanamkonda, Vidar, Solapur and Ratnagiri cross Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. The IMD said that conditions are becoming favorable for further withdrawal of the monsoon from some more parts of South India, remaining parts of West India and some more parts of Central Arabian Sea today. Thereafter, the 2019 southwest monsoon is expected to exit the remaining parts of the country after delivering a bountiful season, even as the northeast monsoon rains would commence over southeast India during the 2 days that follow. The Supreme Court today concluded hearing in the politically sensitive case of Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid Lane dispute in Ayodhya and reserved the judgment. The bench heard for 40 days the arguments of the Hindu and the Muslim sides. A 5-judge constitution bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi granted 3 days to contesting parties to file written notes on molding of relief or narrowing down the issues on which the court is required to adjudicate. The protracted hearing in the Ayodhya dispute had entered the crucial final leg on October 14, when the apex court resumed proceedings on the 38th day after the week-long Dussehra break. Now the sports news. Four Bulgarian football fans suspected of subjecting black England players to racist abuse have been detained following police raids. England's 6-0 Euro 2020 qualifier win over Bulgaria in Sofia was stopped twice in the first half, following racist chanting by home supporters. Before we end, let's see the top stories once again. Prahlad Singh Patel opens Sirui Lily Festival, hails real beauty of Manipur. Chief Minister Biren praises excellent hospitality of Tangkhul. And chaos as Hong Kong State of the Union disrupted. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.